5 small knitting projects for leftover yarn. Here are 5 quick ideas you can finish in just one evening. All the full tutorials are already available on my channel. Mushroom. A small mushroom is a great beginner-friendly project. You'll need just 2 colors of yarn, one for the stem and one for the cap. Pumpkin. A classic autumn project, perfect for fall decor or as a keychain. The pumpkin is knitted as a simple tube, then gathered and shaped with yarn. Candy. This one is perfect for using even the smallest scraps. The candy is knitted as a small tube and tied at the ends to look like a wrap sweet. Bunny. This tiny bunny is made from a simple knitted square. The shape comes together when you sew it following a specific pattern, forming the head, ears, and body all at once. Heart. This little heart is knitted in one piece, worked in the round. It's quick to make and perfect as a small gift, charm, or decoration. All of these projects are perfect for leftover yarn, and they don't take much time or materials.